Hey there, I'm Damon Darnall, the founder of the Sky Network. I've got an amazing book called the Drone FAA 107 License Study Guide. That's going to give you everything you need to pass your 107 test the first time. And I want you to have it for free. If you want to pass the 107 test with flying colors, then you need this free book. Because among other things, it reveals the FAA rules, the regulations, the National Airspace System, maps, sectional charts, test preparation, and much more. So just fill out the form on the side of this page, let me know your shipping address, and I'll send you your free book right away. There's no catch. I'm doing this because I want to share this with as many people as I can and help as many people that I can get into this amazing industry. Look, the drone industry is taking off whether you're on board or not. The demand is higher than it's ever been, and the supply is very low. But it's not going to be like that for long. It's quickly catching up. All I need you to do is help with the shipping and handling charges. I have a very limited number of copies of the Drone 107 Study Guide available, so don't get left behind. If you don't love it, I'll refund your money and you can keep the book for free. So just to recap, you're getting a free book, the Drone FAA 107 License Study Guide, that's going to help you pass your FAA test with flying colors. AKA how to pass your FAA 107 test the first time, which means you can finally stop struggling with the test. Just fill out the form on the side of the page, let me know your shipping address, and I'll send it out right away. Thanks for watching. You take care and fly safe.